For years, tech companies have tried to sell us on augmented reality by putting tiny computers on our faces. But as you can see from this first-person view of a busy sidewalk, these devices usually end up being bulky, glowing headsets that make everyday social interactions incredibly awkward. Even worse, most of these headsets include a front-facing camera. Wearing a visible recording device on your face instantly puts people on edge and erodes public trust. Nobody wants to feel like they are constantly being filmed. A company called MemoMind decided to approach this problem from the opposite direction. They built a pair of smart glasses that replicate the look of standard, traditional frames, and they completely removed the camera. This creates an interesting engineering puzzle. If a smart device cannot visually see the world around you, how can it actually augment your reality? The answer is that effective everyday AR doesn't need to capture your vision. It just needs to quietly listen, process, and support your mind. To keep these glasses looking entirely normal, MemoMind hid small green displays directly inside the circular lenses. Unless someone is looking very closely, they are almost impossible to spot from the outside. This diagram compares a standalone battery against standard optical frames. Packing full-day power into the arms ruins the design. To solve this, the schematic zooms out, revealing a continuous charging system, a discrete USB-C cable routing from the glasses into your mobile phone. By offloading the battery and the heavy processing directly to the phone you already carry, the glasses stay incredibly light, and their carrying case is small enough to slip right into your pocket. Tethering the device to a phone is a specific hardware compromise, but it is the exact trade-off necessary to make a wearable comfortable enough to leave on your face all day. Once they're on, you interact with the glasses in two ways. You can use a voice wake-up phrase by saying, "Hi, Memo," or if you want to be completely covert, you can tap a tiny physical button on the side. Take this photograph of Mount Everest, for example. If you suddenly need to recall a fact about it, a press of the button lets you ask the AI for the tallest point, and the answer appears in your line of sight. The system easily handles much more complex geographic queries. Looking at this photograph of Naypyidaw, you can ask the AI to retrieve the capital of Myanmar, and it will even provide the correct phonetic pronunciation right on the lens. The glasses feature a teleprompter function. This animated graphic shows scrolling text physically tethered to your voice. The AI tracks your audio wave, matching the scroll speed precisely to your speaking pace without manual inputs. That same real-time audio processing applies to language translation. If you're speaking with someone in Cantonese, the glasses convert their spoken words into English text and project it onto the lens instantly. By having those translated captions floating directly in your field of view, you eliminate the friction of staring down at a translation app on your phone. Putting the data right where you are already looking ensures you maintain eye contact. This allows you to stay focused on the person standing right in front of you. The active features are incredibly useful, but the real power of these glasses lies in an ambient intelligence feature called Memo Plus. This mode shifts the hardware from a tool you command into an observer that works quietly in the background. Throughout the day, the glasses use their microphones to continuously process ambient audio. They record your meetings, lectures, and casual conversations without you ever having to press record or trigger a command. At the end of the day, the AI analyzes everything it heard and categorizes those distinct moments. It separates your morning work meeting about a FedEx pickup from your afternoon debate about the FIFA World Cup trophy pictured here, turning a continuous stream of audio into a searchable, categorized daily catalog. Continuous indexing creates a searchable record of your day, effectively offloading the task of memory to an external second brain. This typographic layout shows a stark contrast in tech philosophy. The industry has spent billions trying to convince us that augmented reality requires immersive 3D spatial computing to map our physical rooms. But this device argues for a simpler path: passive ambient AI. By relying on audio processing and projecting simple green text, the glasses sidestep the privacy concerns and social stigma that hindered previous wearables. It is genuinely freeing to have a completely passive system that remembers the exact details of your daily interactions. Your biological brain is no longer forced to store every minor data point. The ultimate wearable technology operates quietly in the background, keeping you entirely present while supporting your worldview with relevant data.